I'm sure this happens to a lot of people. Let's say you're on TikTok, watching a specific video, and all of a sudden your TikTok page refreshes. And you're like, where is the video you're watching right now? Because you've not saved it or you've not even shared it to those people you want to share it to. So how do you get to your TikTok history? Where can you find out that video you're watching right now before your page got refreshed? In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can get your TikTok history. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Michael Ike here, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Tips. Into this video, guys, like I said, I'm going to be showing the steps you need to take to get your TikTok history, so you can find out all the videos you've been watching recently for that particular day. If you love this information about here, guys, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you're new on my channel, guys, you're welcome. Kindly hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification icon so you can get notified whenever I create more videos like this. And guys, on my channel here, I give the smart online tips which you can use to solve the online world with ease. I have a lot of videos on social medias like how to unban your TikTok, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, and lots more you can think of. So just check out my channel to get those videos. Alright guys, let's get started on how you can see your TikTok history.
Okay guys, here's what I mean. So let's say I go to TikTok, okay, and I'm watching this video. Then for some reason my maybe TikTok refresh, as you can see, is no longer there. I'm going to do it again for another video. Okay, let me just quickly go home. Okay, you guys take note of these videos I'm showing you. As you can see now, this is a website that will pay you money, part 1. Okay, so let me say for example my TikTok refreshes and it comes to this one. Okay, how do I get my search history? How do I see it? All I need to do is click on search over here. Then now click on search and just click on this dot, this full stop. Okay, then click on search. So just wait for it to load, and now it says here view your watch history, and this is where I'm going to be clicking on view your watch history. And guys, can you see these are the videos I've watched lately? This is the video I stumbled on after reading the page. This is next one. Can you remember this website that will pay you money? And this is the very first one that you guys saw before I even reloaded the page. And this is order of my watch history I've watched today. Okay, this is it here for today. Okay, I can keep on scrolling and you can now go back to the video you're watching before TikTok reloaded the page.
So guys, I'm sure you know how to get your TikTok history right now. So whenever your TikTok pages refreshes, you don't need to panic about the video you're watching. All you just do is follow this method I showed you in my video right now and go see the history. And if you want to save it, you do save it. If you want to download it, you can download it, or you want to share it to people, just do that from the history and check out all the videos you've watched throughout that day. All right, so do not forget to save this video and also share it to people, because I know there are a lot of people who are in search of this smart online tips I just gave you right now. Okay guys, I'm going to see you in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.